Hello student, welcome to our online class. Today topic is applications of linear equations in one variable. Some applications connection with plane geometry. Before going to solution of the problem, we recall some properties of triangle like the sum of all interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, where angle A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Second property is the exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite two interior angles. Is it okay? For example, the triangle ABC, interior angles 1, 2, 3, exterior angle is 4. Now exterior angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, where angle 1, angle 2 are interior angles. Okay, one more property. In right angle triangle, the sides A, B, C, length of sides A, B, C, by Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square. A square side square plus b square is equal to hypotenuse square. One more property, sides of opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal in measure. One more property, sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degrees. Here L, M are parallel lines, P is transversal line. Then interior angles, sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now let us see a problem. If L, M are parallel lines, find the value of x. Now interior angles 3x plus 20, 5x minus 8. Find the x value. Okay. We should write given L and M are parallel lines and P is transversal. Therefore, the given 3x plus 20 and 5x minus 8 are interior angles. Okay, these are given. We know that sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180. We recall this property. So, we added interior angles 3x plus 20 plus 5x minus 80 is equal to 180. Simplifying this equation, we get 3x plus 20 plus 5x minus 8 is equal to 180. Add the like terms, that are 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 is equal to 180. Now, we know that the constant term 12 transposing to RHS, it becomes a minus 12. A plus 12 ni RHS ki transport cheyali. Then 8x is equal to 168. Again, we find only x value, so the 8 should be transport to RHS. 8 ni kuda RHS ki transport chesinattaithe x is equal to 168 by 8, transposing 8 to RHS. Transposing 8 to RHS. Now we get 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 8 1. Now x is equal to 21. Okay. This is the x value. Check the value. This value x is equal to 21 degrees. We have 8x plus 12 is equal to 180. This is the LHS. Take LHS 8x plus 12. Substituting x value 21. 8 of 21 plus 12. 21 into 8. 8 21 times is equal to 168 plus 12, that is equal to 180 degrees. LHS is equal to RHS. So our value is 21. Application. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Find the angles. Okay. Supplementary angles. The definition of supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then they are called supplementary angles. Let the smaller angle be x. By the problem, two angles differ by 34. Then bigger becomes x plus 34. We have the sum of supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then sum of two angles, smaller angle is x, bigger angle is x plus 34. Then sum is equal to 180 degrees. Now x plus x plus 34 is equal to 180 degrees. Then 2x plus 34 is equal to 180 degrees. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 34. 34 transposing to RHS. Then 2x is equal to 146, where x is equal to 146 by 2. 2 transposing to, then 2 transpose to RHS, x is equal to 73. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 3 ja. The smaller angle is 73. Then bigger angle is equal to x plus 34. Substitute the x value, 73 plus 34 is equal to 107. The angles are, supplementary angles are 73, 107. These are the supplementary angles, required supplementary angles. Example, one more application from exercise 2.2. In given figure, find the x value. Solution. Here two triangles are given. One is triangle AOB, second one triangle COD. From triangle BOA or AOB, angle B is equal to 3x plus 10. Again, side AB is equal to AO. Side AB is equal to side OA. We have the angles of opposite equal sides are equal. The angles of opposite sides, both are opposite sides. Opposite sides, opposite angle. Opposite sides, opposite angle is equal. Side AOB opposite angle is B. Side AB opposite angle is O. Now AB is equal to OA implies angle O is equal to angle B. ఈ ఈక్వల్ అపోజిట్ సైడ్స్కి అపోజిట్ ఉండేటువంటి యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ both are equal sides, both are opposite equal angles. Then angle O is equal to angle B, where angle B is equal to 3x plus 10 given. Similarly, from triangle COD, side OC, side CD are equal. This implies angle O, angle D are equal. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ సైడ్స్ కాబట్టి వీటికి అపోజిట్ ఉండే యాంగిల్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయి. అగైన్ ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ COD, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మూడు ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ యొక్క మొత్తం 180 degrees. In triangle COD, angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. But from equation 2, we can write angle D by replace of angle O. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ డి ప్లేస్లో యాంగిల్ ఓ రాసుకోవచ్చు ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2లో యాంగిల్ ఓ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ డి ఉంది. నౌ డి ప్లేస్లో ఓ రాసినట్టయితే యాంగిల్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x ఇచ్చిండ్రు గివెన్. నౌ యాంగిల్ ఓ ప్లస్ 2x ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ ఓ 2 యాంగిల్ ఓ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ టు RHS. It becomes minus 2x. Again 2 into 90. 180 can be written as 2 into 90. Minus 2x. 2 as common. 2 angle O is equal to 2 of 90 minus x. 2 will be cancelled. Angle O is equal to 90 minus x. This is equation 2. But triangle AOB and COD, angle BOA is equal to angle COD. Both are vertically opposite angles. COD and AOB. Both are vertically opposite angles. We have vertically opposite angles are equal. Then angle BOA is equal to 3x plus 10. Angle COD is equal to 90 minus x from 1 and 3. Transposing x to LHS, 10 to RHS. Then minus x becomes plus x. Plus 10 becomes minus 10. 4x is equal to 80. Again transposing 4 to RHS. We get x is equal to 40 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 10 ja. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. 6 years. Vijaya age is x plus 6. Present is x. After 6 means plus 6 years. Vijaya's mother age is (4x plus 6 years). ఓకే 6 years ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 6ని యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం after 6 years sum of their ages is equal to 62 years. Now x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 62. Remove the brackets. X plus 6, 4x plus 6 is equal to 62. X plus 4x 5x, 6 plus 6 12, that is equal to 62. Now 12 transposing RHS. Transposing 12 to RHS. 5x is equal to 50. Now 5 transposing to RHS. transposing to RHS. 5 1 ja 5 10. X is equal to 10. Vijaya's present age 10 years. Mother present age present age 4x, where x is equal to 10, 40 years. Vijay is 10 years, mother age is 40 years. Question number 2, page number 43. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Point the numbers. This is the second question of page number 43. Exercise 2.2. Okay. Difference means if you take smaller number is x, bigger numbers become x plus 8. Okay. Smaller number be x, bigger number becomes x plus 8. స్మాల్ నెంబర్ నెక్స్ అనుకుంటే బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ దానికన్నా 8 ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి x ప్లస్ 8 అవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ యాడెడ్ టు 2 టు ద బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్, మనం పెద్ద నెంబర్కి 2 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. దెన్ రిజల్ట్ బికమ్స్ 3 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్మాలర్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, లెట్ us solve this. Let smaller number is x. According to problem, the difference between two numbers is equal to 8. Then bigger number becomes x plus 8. Small number ni x anukunnam, difference 8 kabatti bigger number smaller kanna 8 ekku avutundi. So x is x plus 8. Bigger number is x plus 8. If 2 added to bigger number, then bigger number becomes x plus 8 plus 2. బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్కి 2 యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ x ప్లస్ 8 దెన్ ప్లస్ 2 దెన్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ x ప్లస్ 10. అప్పుడు ఇది x ప్లస్ 10 అవుతుంది. ద రిజల్ట్ విల్ బి 3 టైమ్స్ the smaller number. 3 times to the smaller number. Okay. Then x plus 10 then smaller number is x, it becomes 3x. 3x is equal to x plus 10. Now x transpose to LHS, transpose to LHS, x becomes minus x, then 2x is equal to 10. Again 2 sent RHS, 2 transpose to RHS, then it becomes 10 by 2. 2 transposing to RHS. Then 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, where x is equal to 5. Smaller number is 5. Now bigger number is equal to x plus 8. Substitute the x value. X is equal to 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13. Okay, this is the problem solution. See question number 3. Question number 3. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? Okay. Two numbers whose sum is 58, difference is 28. Find the both numbers. Question number 3. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? Solution. Given sum of two numbers is equal to 58. Suppose we take bigger number is x, then smaller number becomes 58 minus x. రెండు నెంబర్ల యొక్క సమ్ము 58 కాబట్టి ఆ రెండు నెంబర్లలో ఒకటి ఎక్స్ వై అనుకుందాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 58, దెన్ ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు వై ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఆటోమేటిక్గా 58 మైనస్ అని వస్తుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ని మనం ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాం, వెనక ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 58 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, వన్ నెంబర్ ఎక్స్ అయినప్పుడు సెకండ్ నెంబర్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఆ సమ్లోకి వెళ్ళి దాన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తూ వస్తుంది. అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం difference of two numbers is equal to 28. Here two numbers are x and second one is 58 minus x. Bigger number is x. So subtracting 58 minus x, then remove the bracket, x minus into minus plus x. Again x plus x is equal to 2x minus 58 is equal to 28. Then minus 58 transposing to RHS, then becomes plus 58 transposing 58 minus 58 to RHS, then it will be plus 58. 2x is equal to 86. Again x is equal to 86 by 2 transposing 2 to RHS, then x is equal to 43. X means bigger number 43. Now smaller number is equal to is equal to 58 minus x. Substituting the x value, then we get 15. Smaller is 15. Smaller number 15. Okay, is it clear? Let one is x, second one becomes 58 minus x. Why? According to problem, sum of two numbers is equal to 58. రెండింటి యొక్క సమ్ 58 ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఒకటి x అయితే సెకండ్ వన్ 58 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. వాటి డిఫరెన్స్ 28. బిగ్గర్లోకి వెళ్ళి స్మాలర్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ రిమూవ్ ద బ్రాకెట్, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. మైనస్ 58ని ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ 58 అవుతుంది. మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఉన్న 2ని ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ చేస్తే డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ స్మాలర్ ఈజ్ 15, బిగ్గర్ ఈజ్ 43.